die before your time, oh. With this your behavior, you go get.
Madam! Oga, please now! Oga now! Madam, please now! Pick on him! Madam, please now! I don't know. Who wants this now? You want... Madam! Pick on him now! Please now! What happened?
My brother, calm down. No be me cause your problem or frustration. My brother, as you see me so, my own family problem, they my pocket. I no send you na pass at the pass. But I say, as that woman take run you down, I say make I give you my bread and Sprite. Come, may we go sit down under shade. Calm down. Life na jeje. Sprite and bread. Come and sit down. And we go talk. The sun is too much. Papa, we won't finish.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, well, come on, go sit down and talk. See as you plump anyhow. My food is on the self for you. You go better. Normal level. You're not really stress yourself. Yeah? Don't worry. Forget that woman.
Thanks for the children. Especially time for this. Yes, he seems to be nice.
We are trying, my brother, by his grace. You see, I don't like the way that woman treated you. Whether or your madam have been a woman, I don't know. But the way she have handled you, no go well. What happened? Who she be?
Madam. My oga wife. Madam. That woman wicked. In fact, she's annoying. Every time. And she's waiting with that word. She call you.
No, Atabinile. You cannot use the whole English word dictionary on top of one person. They are not worth it. So relax. But meanwhile, on a house, on a get man.
But man, we don't get to. I mean, they do everything. I mean, they clean the house. I mean, they cook. I mean, they wash the. I mean, they sweep house. I mean, they open gate. Still, the man know they appreciate.
Hey, say no more now. I beg. I be security man now. You know, say God works in mysterious ways. I see you, I like you. You know, bribe me. I may can give you something based on as they treat you. I can do get man. I can kill 9 people in 4 minutes. No, an example. I'm not saying I won't kill you. I'm not trying to make you understand my capacity.
Okay,
so please, as the oga like you, beg them. If you can make me or link me or make them put me as get man, I will forever appreciate.
No, well, I'll help you because you're a good man.
From your skin alone, I know the hunger not be problem there.
We eat once, but me, I eat like 56 times a day.
Jesus.
Yes.
Okay, now you did the kitchen. If I don't make you my man at the craze. I see your brother. I say this house. See as you plumpy. I need today here 3 square meals first.
This is the 72 times I'm eating.
Today.
Today.
See, I beg. I be get man here. Do one for me. Can you go to New
No,
York?
okay.
What do you mean by he's nowhere to be found?
I stepped out. I went in search of him and I couldn't find him.
Would you? That little boy knows no place around this town. Yet you sent him out. If anything happens to him, if anything happens to that boy.
I didn't mean to send him out. I was only trying to punish him for lying to me and for being so silly.
You keep quiet. Now look at what you have caused by wanting to punish him. Eh? Just pray that that boy returns here safe and sound. Else, you'll be in serious trouble.
This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no ease at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble, trouble every day. Take a life to jeje. Which kind future you get to? Magunuso, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magunuso, Magunuso, Magunuso. Take it life to jaja, take up jaja, take up jaja. Life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no ease at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble, trouble every day. Take a life to jeje.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh. Make you not die before your time.
Uju, I mean, do you know anybody? I mean, any of his friends we can call? Let's see what we can do. Let's go and check on him. Let's just do something. That's the problem. I don't know. I don't know anybody at all. I mean,
he's not the type that moves around with friends. I don't even know where to go.
and your husband, what is he saying?
That one is not helping matters. Seriously, I don't even know what I'm doing with that man as a wife. He kept blaming me on every single thing. I don't even know what I'm still doing with this man as a wife. This marriage is more than a nightmare to me.
My friend, I understand you, but you need to go home.
He said I shouldn't come back without that boy. I don't even know what to do.
I know. But still, you need to go home. So you can go to the police and report. That's what you need to do.
Nancy, you need to see the way this man talks to me. He talks to me like I am his daughter. He has never seen me as his wife, not for one day. This marriage is just sickening. It is sickening.
My friend, I understand you. But the best thing for you to do is to go home. Go to the police and make a report. And you have to act fast. You know time is going. I pray you find this boy and get yourself out of all this thing. And believe me, I am here for you. I will do anything to make sure you're okay. Okay? And come, if there is any issue, don't hesitate to call me. I'm here for you, okay? Cheer up.
For your time.
Even as boy don't talk to Oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you. Sabi lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yoso we mutadi opara. Enyi o, 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 enyi o.
Where did you go?
I don't understand. I thought you said I should go look for that boy. I've been searching for him.
You've been doing that for the past 4 hours, Uju. Even the police would have retired after a long 2-hour search. You've been out there 4 hours. Where did you go?
Searching for Enyi Konwa, of course. And I've not seen him till now.
And you didn't deem it fit to come and let me know. Rather, you've been out there wasting time with whoever before coming home. Eh?
I have done absolutely nothing since I left this house but to look for that boy. So I don't know what you're talking about.
You better go to the police and inform them that you are the one responsible for the missing boy. Go now.
You're not coming with me.
To do what? You better go there now.
Enyi, where the hell have you been? I've been searching for you all over the place.
Is that the thank goodness you ought to be saying? What if something had happened to him? What if he wasn't able to come back to this house?
Sir, thank God for my life, oh.
Thank God for your life, not me. Where have you been?
After she pushed me out, I cried and pleaded to her, but she did not respond. So I wanted to cross to the other side of the road. I noticed kidnappers with guns, like AK-47, one manner of guns. They came to kidnap me, but this brother beat them nonsense and saved me.
We thank God for your life. And you, be grateful and thankful to your Maker that nothing happened to him, that he came back alive.
Thank you so much for bringing him home. I've been searching for him all over the place. I don't even know what I would have done. Thank you.
You're too fine. But anyways, you don't need to thank me because it's my purpose. My DNA is to save people. I save people for a living. I saw what was going on. I don't know him from Adams. I was like, no. I know Mbule. So I saved him. I save people for a living.
Everything.
So, you mean those people came with AK-47, plenty ammunitions and bomb?
They came with bomb. I have bomb absorber 3. I absorbed everything.
And so they came to kidnap you with bomb. They came to bomb you. And as what?
Yeah. Don't understand. A shining star, a rising star, a shining star.
Oh, okay. Thank God, though. Shining star, rising star, shining star. Thank God.
I beg, which side on our kitchen there?
The lettuce. Go still chop like 15 times.
Go chop first. Can you go to Nike William?
This life be no balance at all.
So, like this now, your guy not even say thank you for fighting people with guns and bombs to bring my cook back home. He just left. You know if he thank me, that's why I'm small rich.
Oga, if I think you dey fine, you go grow grey hair finish. You never find am.
Okay, may we even forgive you, Oga, saying a man in be. You are madam, uncle. I was expecting hello, thank you for saving our cook. What did I hear now? Rising star, shining star, rising star, shining star. Who that one help?
What do you want me to stop before? That woman no get joy. And besides, then Oga dey in charge of everything we dey happen.
Okay.
If you talk, my Oga go do you gbese.
Wetin be my position now? Wetin man picking go come do now?
You guys go home now.
Sorry?
You guys go home.
See, my brother, man pikin is stranded. Man pikin no get home. Man pikin no get direction. Man pikin stranded. Man pikin no get anything. So nowhere to go.
I don't understand. What you mean?
You know, I never tell you my story. As you see me so, I strand. Like this, I strand. Nowhere to go. I strand.
Oh, leave me alone now. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Which kind of embarrassment be this one now? Eh?
Which kind of waiting? Where is Magnus?
I don't know. Magnus is not in this compound. In fact, I've chased Magnus out of this compound. Leave me alone.
Oh, you chased a man that is massaging me. And is even owing me big money. You chased him away.
How am I supposed to know that Magnus is owing you?
Now that you have known, see that money, you are going to pay it. You are going to pay that money.
I am going to pay that money. I am going to pay for money. I didn't even know how you and Magnus take waka. You say make I can't pay for the money. When it comes to massaging now, you will call Magnus. Magnus should come and massage you. But now, when it comes to money, you start calling me. Now, Magnus is owing you, and you are saying that I should come and pay. Silas, as what? As what? Let me, I beg, leave me.
Okay, no problem. See that massaging, you are going to do it. That is the only thing that is going to calm my anger now. Even calm my nerves. You are going to do that massaging. Otherwise, you pay me that money.
Lady B, see, if you see me now, you go know say I know where. I know where they treat malaria. I beg, I don't get straight to massage you. I don't even get straight to press anywhere. I beg, let me be.
How that one take consign me? How it take consign me? See that massaging, you are going to do it. Whether you like it or not, you must do it. What? Why am I even begging you?
You dey hold my hair, oh. It is not you. Leave me alone now. Leave me. I don't want to now. I don't want to now.
Whether you like it or not, you must do it. That massage, you must do it.
Not my fault. Is it my fault to massage you? Madam, leave me alone now. It is not you. Oh, I don't want to. Is it my fault? Madam, leave me now. It is not you. Oh, I don't want to. I know. I beg now.
You will give my money.
Please, now leave me alone. Now leave me alone now. Oh, Jesus. Which kind of... Leave me. Leave my phone.
Silas!
So, my guy, now here you go sleep tonight.
Huh?
Yeah, now here you go sleep. I go sleep for that main building.
Just a mosquito no day.
Mosquito no dey enter, it dey safe.
So everywhere food.
Everywhere stew.
Thank you very much. Which your con chop?
No, I go give you food for night.
You bring food for me?
Wow, they enter. Ma?
Hey, what are you doing here?
No,
Who were you discussing with? I heard someone's voice. Where is that guy you walked in?
No, they talk to my belly. I the momo.
You were talking to your tummy?
Yeah.
How?
And the food where you give me now the tummy belly. Like say you give me food poison.
I gave you food poison. Eh?
Be like say.
No, fine, no problem. And where is that young man you walked in here with? Where is he?
Don't go now.
He has left.
Yeah.
Hey, you're making me look like a fool because I know what I heard.
I heard someone's voice, but since you said there's nobody, that you're talking to your tummy, there's no problem. And then the food I gave you is making you do what?
The
You want purge you?
it's like food poison, yes.
Alright, no problem.
Blood not food poison too.
Food poison, right? Food poison. Okay. She will not eat food in this house for 1 good week. Mark it.
Ma?
Tilly? No, Pinky promise. Oh yeah. 1 good week. 1 good week. No food for you, no water. Alright.
I presume just. Madam!
You said you were almost kidnapped in front of my house.
Kidnapped? Me? No. I mean, yes, sir. But they didn't succeed.
And you also said that someone helped you.
Yeah.
Someone saved you.
Yes, the guy I returned home with.
So where is he now? Because I didn't properly thank him for what he did. I was very pissed off then.
He's here. But, I mean, he left. But I know where you can find him.
In that case, tell him to see me tomorrow morning, so I can properly thank him for his kind gesture.
Okay, sir.
I think it's about time I got a security man in this house.
Perfect. Sorry, sir. But still perfect. Because only me cannot be doing the houseboy job and the gateman job. It's tiring and risky.
Will you shut up? What do you actually do in this house than to eat and gallivant?
Sorry, sir.
Huh? Of what use are you to me in this house? I can't do the houseboy and the gateman job.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself, fool.
So, sir, when are you coming to pay my bride price? I mean, when do you want me to get the guy?
Enyukongma,
Sir?
how old are you?
15, sir.
At 15, I was already writing my senior WAEC. Oh, look at you. You have been writing and failing junior WAEC. You're a buffoon. That is what you are.
Thank you, sir. I like that word, buffoon.
Now get out of my sight.
Buffoon. Buffoon. I like that. Thank you for the word, sir.
The fool. Moron.
Sabi lie, Isabi.
What is going on? Uju has not been taking my calls for some time now.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Eunice, I'm talking to you. I said our daughter has not been taking my calls. Neither has she been talking to me. And you are busy watching football. What's the problem?
But you know why? You know her reason. And what exactly do you want me to say?
What stupid reason would Uju have not to take my calls? Chief Maduka, her own father. What reason is that?
Oh, really? Oh, the great Chief Maduka. The high and almighty Chief Maduka. Now tell me this. What a daughter will go through what she has passed through in your hands and will still regard you as a father? Answer me.
I did what I did for the good of the family and for the company. And you know it.
Like, seriously? But the last time I checked, you did not give her any chance in all this.
Of course I did. Of course I gave her a chance. Oh yes, you were there. Were you not? You were there. Yes, you were there. You were there. Hello? Hello?
Dad! What a surprise.
Oh, yes.
What are you doing here, Dad?
What am I doing in your office? Oh, yes. I checked you out in the house and I learned you had zoomed off.
As usual.
As usual.
Yes.
So I chased you down here.
Okay.
You still don't know why I'm here? Happy birthday, my darling.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. Like, I completely forgot that today is my birthday.
You see what you're doing to yourself? Huh? A young lady like you, on your birthday, your mates will be talking about flying to Dubai and elsewhere. You come to the office to work.
Oh, Daddy, come on. Come on, you know, I need to work for the company not to fold.
Fold? That's a joke. Listen, I worked very hard over the years and I laid down strong structures. So that even if my daughter does not work for the next 10 years here, the company stands. Okay?
I know. But I still need to work, okay? I mean, it's better to work than to sit down, fold my arms and do nothing. While I have interesting activities going on here that I should be taken care of. Don't you think so?
Interesting activities? My daughter's definition of interesting is in fact, it's quite interesting. What is so interesting about work? When the world is out there for you to explore. Come on. Yes.
Coming from a man that works so hard to lay the structure. Come on, Dad. It's not bad to work. I hope you know that.
I know. I work too. I've worked all my life. Okay. Yeah, but you need time to rest. Yes, even God himself rested. That's what a good book tells us.
On the seventh day.
So you know.
Come on,
They say all work and no play. You know how far.
I know. Yes. What should I offer you?
No, don't worry. Don't bother.
You sure about that?
Yeah, very sure. I came prepared.
Okay.
I am rather taking you out. Yeah, a birthday outing.
Yes.
A birthday bash.
Ooh.
Oh, yes. We're going to pop champagne.
I can wait, Dad.
And pop so many things, okay? Yes. I'll give you a treat. It's going to be a special day for you, okay? Okay. Yeah. But before then, a reminder. I've always said this every year, every of your birthday. But today I'm saying it with more seriousness. Uju, when are you going to get married? Uju, when are you presenting a man to me? We've been on this for how long? I need an answer today.
Dad, please, let's not do this, okay? Today is my birthday. Don't just ruin it for me. Come on, let's go out and...
No, I insist. Today you're not going to waive this topic any longer like you used to do. Okay? You have to present a man. We have to decide on this topic here and now today. That's actually why I came here.
Dad, I try. It's not like I'm not trying. I do try. Most men I stumble into, they find me unattractive. Maybe not unattractive, but okay, not unattractive, but they find me boring. I find them boring as well.
Yes. Why would they find the situation boring? Why wouldn't they? When all you talk about is work, job, this, that, money, this one, that one. Come on. Why can't you discuss issues of life, relationships and all that? You're a lady. You're a lady. Come on.
Dad, my job is my life. What other discussion am I expected to have with them?
I just said it now. Discussions about life, about relationships, about love, about romance. Why should I be the one telling you this? Why? Huh? You think I'm happy having you in the house at this age? When all my mates, they have grandchildren all over the place. They discuss their sons-in-laws, their grandchildren, and all that. But what do I get from my daughter? Work, work, work. Which work? This is my work. So I'll tell you how to do it. Now listen to me. I can see that. Tell me today. You still have time. Tell me when you are showing me a man. Go ahead.
I just need time, okay?
No.
Just give me time.
No. It is not time that you need. You've had enough time. What you need is to take a decision, and I can see that you're incapable of taking that decision. So I'm going to take it for you. Yes. Now listen to me, young lady. I'll give you till the end of this year. End of this year to present a man to me for marriage. Otherwise, this work and company you're so obsessed about, I will take it away from you. Yes, I'll take the company away from you and hand it over to your cousins.
My cousins?
Yes.
But they don't know anything about this company.
Says who?
Daddy, please. This company is me and I am this company.
And who says that? Says who? Listen, I am the founder of this company. I'm the CEO. So who is in a better position to talk about the company? You or myself? Fail to present a man to me before the end of the year, you lose control of this company. It goes over to your cousins.
You can't just do this. They're gonna ruin everything. They don't know anything about this.
Are you ready for your birthday outing? Meet me in the car.
They don't know nothing about. They're gonna ruin everything. They know nothing about this company. They know nothing. Nasi, that man wants to give everything to my uncle's son.
Well, that's because he has no son of his own. You are his only daughter. One, the only thing he has. Only you.
So? Is that why he should give everything to them? I mean, I am the only one that knows everything about that company. It's not done anywhere.
Well, your father just did. And I think I support him on this one. You know?
You know what? As I thought you were my friend.
Of course, my darling. I am your friend. And that's why I'm telling you the truth. You need to get yourself a man that will help you to run your father's company. That is what you should do.
I don't need any man to do that.
You don't need any man to do that. Well, the owner of the company just told you what he wants. Get him a son-in-law or you forfeit everything. It's that simple.
You said this as if it is easy. How do I get a man to love me? I don't even know how to.
Ujoma, it's very easy. Very, very easy. If only you would try it. I mean, there are thousands of good men out there who want to be part of your life. But
But you keep shutting them out. Uju, it's time for you to make a change. Give opportunity, give it a try. Huh? Hello, Barrister Kunta. Yes, I'm in the office. I hope there's no problem. What? No. He can't do this to me. What? Why is my father like this? Hello? Why is this man playing so ruining my life? What? No. Dad, what is the meaning of what you just did? Is this some sort of joke or something?
Uju, is that your new way of greeting your father? Huh? Anyway, you're welcome.
Daddy, please. I am not here to exchange pleasantries. You went too far. I got a call from your lawyer. What is all this?
Oh, really? So you got that all-important call, hmm? And I ask you, what exactly did the lawyer tell you that I had not been telling you all along?
Daddy, you say all this as if it is easy. How do I go about it? How do I get a man to love me? How do I get a man to marry me? It doesn't work like magic.
Okay. The magic has already happened. Okay? In the next 1 month, be prepared to hand over your position as the manager of my company to your cousins, because that office no longer belongs to you.
You can't do this to me. You cannot do this to me. I know the energy I put into that company. Daddy, please. You can't do this to me. This is unfair, please.
Too late. You had your chance.
Daddy, please, don't do this, don't. You can't just sit here and do nothing. You can't just sit and watch Dad rip me off everything. That company, that job is my whole life. Please, just talk to him. Talk to him, please.
Uju, my dear, you know your father. You and I know that company does not belong to me. He is the owner of the company. He makes the decision. I'm sorry. It's over for you, dear.
No, it's not. It's not over. It's not over, Mommy. This is strongly wrong. This is so unfair. Please. Talk to him. He's your husband. He will listen to you. Please.
But I've always advised you to give men chance in your life. You refused.
I did. I gave them chance. Mom, they were not genuine. They were not. Please. That company is everything to me. Please just talk to him, please.
You know the problem with you? You always find faults. Finds fault in one thing or the other. That is your fault. I wish there is something I could do to help you. But truth must be told. You caused your problem.
Mommy, please.
So deal with it.
Mommy, please. Just beg him. He's your husband. Just... Mommy, please. Mom.
Well, Uju, after your mother's pleading and persuasion, I have decided to rescind my decision to take the company away from you. But that will be under one condition.
Sure, Dad. Just tell me the condition. I am ready. I am willing to respect it.
Right. Now, there is this friend of mine, Mr. Anyang. You know him?
Mm-hmm. Mr. Anyang, the one that used to work in our company.
Correct. He used to be my personal driver way back. Now, Mr. Anyang lost his wife some time ago after years of marriage without a child. I'll tell you a story. That I'm alive today is because that man, Mr. Anyang, took a bullet for me when I ventured into politics some years back. And from that day, I vowed to give him my most precious possession in appreciation of what he did for me. Since then, I've been thinking, what can I give to this man to truly appreciate him for making me cheat death? He made me cheat death. I could have been gone by now. And I tell myself, what else can you give to a man that did this for you? What else, if not that thing that is most precious, most valuable to you? Ujunwa, you are the most valuable thing in my life right now. And I have decided to give you out to Mr. Anyang for marriage.
You must be joking, right? It is definitely a joke, right?
Nobody jokes with a matter as serious as this. Marry Mr. Anyang and you retain the company. Otherwise, you relinquish everything to your cousins. The ball is in your court. Advise your daughter. Excuse me.
How can my father be so wicked and heartless?
Wow. I'm sure the man is old and...
Now, so this is my father punishing me for disagreeing to get married. I mean, this is too extreme. I'm sorry, I'm not going to marry such man.
You know the consequences of your refusal, right? You know.
I am definitely going to sue my father.
Wow! Uju is talking. Uju is coming out of the box. You're gonna sue your father. Over what? His own company.
let him have his company.
Come on, you should have known better than this, Uju.
Let him have his company.
Really? Uju is talking. Really, Uju?
Wait, Nancy. Nancy, are you in any way suggesting I get married to that old man? Are you in any way suggesting that?
No, I'm not suggesting anything. But all I know is that company is too important to this my dear friend sitting here. That's all I know.
She forced my hand into giving her out to Mr. Anyang. That is a true position.
And you know that's not true. Yeah, it's not true. He did not even give her a chance to have a say in all this. Neither did you give her a chance to fall in love naturally with any man, did you?
You know, if I had given Uju the rest of her life, she wouldn't have still found a man to marry. Yes, you do know that. You know what the company did to her? Career, work. She never had any youthful moment. She knew nothing about growing up as a lady. So I had to do what I did to restore her senses.
You lied, Chief Madoka. You lied. Oh yes. You lied and you know it. Oh yes. You did what you did because you want to make good use of your threat. Because you don't want to lose out.
I just don't like being disobeyed. That is the point. And please, can we drop this conversation? Short, I'm going to bed. You can join me if you wish.
Marriage in a love, marriage take am easy, make you not die before your time. Marriage in a love, marriage take am easy, make you not die before your time.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you.
I want to have sex.
That's it. We just have sex and put everything behind like nothing happened.
I said I just want to have sex.
And I said, is that what I get for all the embarrassment you gave to me yesterday and today? You kept treating me like I'm a stranger. You keep on hurting me. Do you even know the sacrifice I made just to get married to you?
You sacrificed nothing, my dear. And I don't want to hear that nonsense from you again. You married me for a purpose, and you know it.
Then divorce me. Yes. Divorce me if you think I don't deserve you. Go ahead and divorce me.
Okay. Thank you.
Shimo, ebero when emezimo. Shimo, ebero when emezimo.
So, young man, what is your name?
My name is Magnus, but people call me Maggie.
Have you been in any security job before?
No, but my father was a military man, so I learned a lot from him. Saving people is in my DNA. I save people for a reason. I can save you from your body to know how serious I am.
This is awesome.
Oh, my mama.
Then I have a proposal for you. I am in need of a security man. Should I say a gate man?
Don't baptize it, sir. You don't need to make it look good. Gate man status is beautiful for me. Forget the security. I'm ready to work as a gate man.
In that case, then you have a job. You can start tomorrow or the day after.
Please, sir. Let me start now. You might wake up tomorrow and change your mind. Let me start immediately.
You're right. Start right away, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Enyikwangwa here will show you around the house.
Sorry, what's his name?
Enyikwangwa.
Okay, Enyikwangwa.
He will show you around the house.
Yeah.
But there are some things you must not do while you're in this house.
Okay, sir.
Never you leave your duty post without my permission.
At the grace? No, sir. You have nothing to worry about. I'm a very focused, I focus in life. I cannot do such.
Good. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
My hand, because of you.
Hey, Enyikwangwa. From the way you are looking plumpy, I know food is not a problem in this house. And my major reason for looking for a job is 3 square meals.
Food is not a problem.
You cannot look at your chicken. With 3 square. Very important.
I still think you were in a haste to employ that boy as a gate man. I mean, you didn't even care to check very well, know where he's from, if he's a fraud, to know if he's really whom he claims he is.
I have employed him, and that is final.
Okay. Let's just hope he's genuine. Anyways, I will be going to the office today. I haven't been to the office for over a week now.
I am coming with you.
What? How? Why?
It's about time I got to know your staff. and know those that I consider a threat to your existence in that office. So we are going to have a meeting with all of them. Or are you going to stop me from going there with you?
I'm in bondage in the name of marriage. Ooh.
You see, I like including my employers while praying. And I can't be saying, God bless my madam. God, I don't want to confuse the Holy Spirit. So I need your name so that it will be like a point of contact. I can say, God bless this person. That's it. It's for prayer purpose.
My name is Ujunwa.
Hey. Ujunwa lumane soku. Ebony black mwa. Hey. You're such a beauty.